Okay, hello guys. Now here is another clip. I want to show you how you can navigate, access our Medical Students Arena, get on the notes and download any notes, right? So it is simple. In your Google still, you can use Chrome browser as one of the search engine of Google. You come on, if you don't have any shortcut, like in my case, you can see down here I have shortcut on Medical Students, but if you don't have any shortcut, you can create one, or rather if this is your first time, you can just come and type medical, you Google, yeah, Arena. Then when that is done, you search it. Then the way I told you, the first site must be Medical Students Arena, whether you are in which part of the world. So that is that. Immediately that happens, you wait for it to load, and this is now the account. First thing, you have to ensure you have account, because if you have any, you log in. But because, like my case, if I click on login, definitely have an account here, so you can see, and then I just log in, it will open. But here is a case where you don't have account, so you'll have to come create account here, right? And then after that, simple, just come put any name here, like let's say, maybe say this, let's say I want to use another account. I'll delete it in the database immediately. That is my name, my password is Dev again. Then I know my name will be, let's say David, that is David Ouma, right? And so that is that. And then I'll sign up, I'll just sign up. Yeah, and then I'll get a notice that you have a created account. Log in to proceed. Kindly know that only members with active validated account will be allowed. So after even a creating account, you still have to validate it, and then logging in is the next thing. So let me try without the login, without the validation. I want to see on the procedure, so I'm taking you through the procedure. Now you will validate your account. So I start. I said Dave was my username, and then password also was Dave. Then so I need to log in and see. So immediately that one opens, like whatever you're seeing in front of you there. It is simple. This is how it looks like. So you have to select a plan, because we are having this is a website, and we need to manage it by finance. We need to pay for the hosting and so on. So there is nothing like a free thing here. You'll have to create an account. So first of all, you can go for 1 month subscription 150, or 1 year subscription for 350. And then the content here is that you'll get all the notes, accessory, WhatsApp group discussion, textbook, library, video classes, MCQ, and past KMTC past paper, which you can download. So first of all, I can select any. Let's say I'm broke, I'll go for select, and that 150 shillings. I'll wait for it to load, right? I'll select this one and wait for it to load. Immediately that happens, it will give me a search engine, right? So I just make payment directly, and making payment is kind of easy. Immediately you're there, it's very easy, right? Then I wait for it to load, and then it opens for me like this is just an API that is used to, yeah. So first of all, I'll put my number, M-Pesa number here, right? And then I'll put the amount here. So immediately I do send, in my phone I'll get a pop-up message telling me to put my pin. Immediately I put the pin, the account will have already received their finance. I mean, you'll already, like, you've already subscribed now to that account. Like you can see here, the members of subscription per month is always indicated here. Like right now, this month we have 166 subscribers. So then that is that. So ensure that whenever you put a contact, it has to have an M-Pesa amount, some amount. You know, some of you have zero accounts in balance. So when you do this, at last it doesn't work. So you have at least to put a figure that is in your M-Pesa. That is that. So let me assume that I've already done that. I'll come back, and then I'll feed my details here, the transaction message here, email number, phone number, amount, and the name and the cost of whatever I'm doing. This one will go to database and validate my account. So immediately that happens, so when I come back next time, then I want to log in. It's simple, quite simple, very, very simple, right? Very, very simple. I'll just come, go to home page, or maybe login. Let me just use login, right? Let me see. I just go to login. Now on logging in, assuming that is the case, it is very easy. This is now very easy. Let's assume that this was the account. Now it's very easy. So I just simply click here and log in. So if I'm using this one to give you example, that was account which I was creating. So this is always my account. So find that immediately you log in, you'll get a name, official name, the way you put them there, David Ouma Otieno. Then now you can access the service without any login again. Like in like the other case, when you wanted to click courses, you could have been navigated to a registration before, like Rabatria. You can access any courses, right? Yeah, you can access everything to do with that. And then that is that. So it is simple as that. And yeah, that is how we do the registration and creating of account. Thank you.